Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to copy paste things from your computer to your Instagram story and your Facebook story. So I don't know if you know, but you can integrate your connections. And I'll probably make a video on this, but you can integrate your Facebook and your Instagram account together. So you can make a Facebook page that's Aquatech Fantasy, and then you can also make an Instagram page called Aquatech Fantasy. Then you can put both in together on the business suite that Meta has created, right? And the cool thing is, so if you go to the business Meta suite, I'm going to put on the link description below here. You can go to create story and you can copy and paste here. So it says drag photo or video here, right? But we're going to get a little bit technical here because what I like to do is I like to make sure you definitely subscribe and follow on Twitter here, Aquatech Fantasy, right? So what I like to do is I'd like to do Alt up and Shift. Sorry, Shift Alt S, and this is where you can copy, right? Copy and paste. So we got this, right? So I just copied and paste something, and it auto takes screenshots. So once you do that, all you gotta do is you can do Control, hold Control and press V, and then it's going to paste the screenshot here. So now, as you can see, this is what it looks like on the Instagram. This is the preview. It's going to look like on the Facebook story. Then you move it to Instagram, and that's how it's going to look, right? It looks kind of crazy, but it's going to look better on the actual Instagram story. But that's how you copy and paste something to your Instagram story, and you can post it to your Facebook story and Instagram story at the same time because it shares both of them at the same time here. This really helps other social media, other social content creators. If you want to post multiple videos, multiple feeds, multiple things that you have screenshot, Control V pastes it here, and then Shift Alt S or Shift Window S, does it. Sorry, my window key doesn't work, but my Alt key works. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.